Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot. And what will they look into? Will they look into the latest report? The latest report where they reach us, where the news will come out yesterday say military don't do it, don't free 200 girls and 93 women from Sambisa forest. So people come to look, say that a big achievement for Nigeria, say for them to see these girls. Why some people also say, why be saying now they come to see these girls? Why be saying all this while they talk about that they don't discover where these girls they? And right about now we get one Obonga guest. We don't join us now. Oga Alexa Wilcox, now public affairs analyst. No be new person for here. Now friend of the house. Now regular visitor here. Oga Alexa, good morning and welcome to our program.
Chukwudi and Co. Thank you very much.
Yes. No wala.
Whether na which or Osama bin Laden traffic waiting for Lagos today.
Now just hold you now.
Now God go fit solve for us. I'm not a novice. Which we as not a novice. I beg.
So
I don't follow the matter. Small.
Yes.
This issue of release of girls. In fact, all of us don't talk this matter. When this matter starts, we don't look the matter and say, it get as it be. Because if now our military, where we know right from Ogbonge time, these are military we don't achieve several feats outside Nigeria. Our military will fight civil war and keep the country together. Our military will embark on several things. I mean, they proud of our military. Nigeria, I'm talking Nigerian military. It can't be this matter of Boko Haram and the kidnap, and the military no fit do anything. For 1 year pass. You know, don't forget, say, even before they even agree, say something happened, it take 18 days. Our president say no, na politics, na APC, na Tinubu, na Buhari, na this. They don't do anything.
At that point. Imagine.
18 days come past before the war come, they shout.
Now that time can't know say go do something.
Then from there, your wife can't cry for TV, say there is God. Everything could happen anyhow. We don't do anything. Now, 2 minutes to go from the government that is supposed to be a responsible government. 2 minutes to go. Now they go bring 20. No, we thank God though, sincerely speaking, because now our Nigerians, we thank God, we give God glory, we thank the military for bringing out these people. We don't know who they are. If they are the real Chibok girls, I them be, and that sort of. Even they are Nigerians. So we thank God that they brought them out and alive. But for me, it is one success too late because it already cast aspersion on the country, on the military, on the government, and even on our national psyche. I don't know if you understand them again.
But Oga Alexa Wilcox, people don't come out, come talk, say, this same Sambisa forest, where we say they don't do reconnaissance mission on top, they don't see one bushmeat. All of a sudden, 293 women come out. Say, based on, say, the way when the election don't go, say, you know, say, the idea that say, now to make it look like, say, Oga President don't know they work. But after election, now, when he be say, you know, can't lose the election, they can't bring out the 293 women. Some people say the monkey hand when they inside, say the governor of the state saying they are
a lame duck excuse. Very lame duck excuse.
Thank you. Lame duck excuse. Now here and viewers, lame duck excuse.
The duck say it's too lame. You understand? Because you see, number one, who be the chief security officer? I mean, you see, I don't paint our military. If the governor will not get even civil defense, you don't get Boy Scouts, where they back him and say in charge of security. If he fit hide people from the Nigerian military for all this long period, then that means that military, in fact, Boy Scout better pass them. But you see, that won't be say. The truth of the matter is this: if they don't do the recognition mission for Sambisa, they say don't see anybody. How come all of a sudden, since we from February 10, there was success begin to achieve success.
Thank you very
much. We begin to roll back Boko Haram's achievement.
Thank you very much.
We begin to achieve success. When all this while, would they say military not equipped, military they fear, military they run? In fact, so many military men don't die, don't pay the supreme sacrifice over this matter. Military they run, our own military will be Ogbonge military. We go to Liberia, liberate Liberia, go to Sierra Leone, dislodge Sierra Leone people, go to Congo, do all kinds of things. Sudan, therefore, will be the same militancy. The same what do you call them? Insurgency for Darfur region for Sudan. Our own military see go there, scatter the whole place.
It can't be our own.
It can't be our own.
Our own.
My brother, monkey. But where that monkey they come from, I think because now where the government don't they leave, now they're going to bring out these things. I think the monkey hand we do, but true, no could find where that monkey hand the front.
Thank you.
Because don't forget, our late brother Aziza, you talk him. He said this Boko Haram thing. Now we're from within the establishment. Because you see, when something is inside your house, you can't find it outside. You they hide something.
That is there.
So that before the man die, they say the man talk and say, this Boko Haram Tino, nah, internal, made them check internal well. They remove the man for work.
Oga Alex Wilcox, we know say this matter no be matter when we say they go just talk with speed. And we don't say you don't talk and say monkey and they inside, but we never know the place. We go still come back here to come discuss this issue. To come use the replace where we say the monkey and come
No,
from.
we need to talk because you see, I might tell you something. This matter of Boko Haram, you know come out now. Make we wait after May 29. We go see plenty things we go do we will never see before. Because you see, the truth of the matter is this, let us face it. We're all of us Nigerians. And we no go allow the blood of one Nigerian is important to everybody.
Very important. You don't talk until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come on smoke. We go thank you for just even still upon the traffic. You still come sit down here. And we want to make you promise us say you go come back again.
I'll come back over and over by God's grace.
Thank you very much.
All within our life and
Thank you very much. Our people waiting for us. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come on smoke. We tell you now say bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye, viewers. Thank you very much.